boys and girls. So the last few videos I've showed you some baked goods and we've divided them into halves, fourths, and eighths. Today I'm here before I've made anything. I'm going to make some peanut butter cookies today, and I want to show you how fourths, eighths are all part of a whole. Okay? So I've already mixed up the peanut butter, the butter, and the shortening. And so the next thing I need to put into this bowl is the sugar. Okay? So I need to have a cup of sugar. Okay? Now, a cup of sugar, I could easily just stick my 1 cup in here. But sometimes you can't fit your measuring cup in so well. In fact, it's a tight fit. So I'm going to have to try a smaller measuring cup. So I'm going to start with my 1/2 cup and see if I can fit that in there. Nice and level. Okay, and this is my second 1/2 cup because it takes 2 halves to make a whole cup of sugar. Okay, and if you come and see, I put 2 halves in and I have now 1 full cup of sugar. 2 halves equals 1 whole. And I'm going to put that in there, and I'll mix that up a little bit later. Okay, so that's going to wait, and I'm going to add some brown sugar and eggs, and it's going to be fantastic. But now I need to measure some other things. Now when I bake cookies, I have my wet ingredients in the big bowl, and I put my dry ingredients into a smaller bowl. So now I'm ready to do my dry ingredients. And I need, let me look at this thing, it says I need 2.5 cups of flour. That is a lot of flour, okay? 2.5 cups. Again, I've got my measuring cup, and we've already demonstrated that 2 halves make a whole. So I'm going to first put my 1/2 cup of sugar in. 1/2 cup of sugar. It's a 1/2 cup of flour. But I wonder how many 1/4 cups it would take to make a 1/2 cup. Let's find out. Okay, here's 1/4 cup. And here's a second 1/4 cup. Okay, and as you can see, 2 4/4 cups equals 1/2 cup. So I'm going to put my 1/2 cup in, and I still need 2 cups of flour. Okay, so I'm going to make it easy on myself. I'm just going to fill up my first cup this way. So now I have 1.5 cups. Now I wonder how many 1/4 cups it's going to take to make a cup. I know that it's at 2 1/2 cups makes a cup, but what about 1/4 cups? How many 1/4 cups do you think? Okay, let's find out. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3, and I don't want to make a mess. And 4. 4 1/4 cups equals 1 full cup. Okay, 1 whole cup. So now I have my 2.5 cups of flour in there. Now, when I'm baking, I don't always just use measuring cups, right? Sometimes I need to use measuring spoons, right? Like if you're using vanilla, or today I need salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And I don't need a lot of any of these things. Let's see. It looks like I need 1/2 teaspoon salt. Okay? 1/2 teaspoon salt. Oh, I can't find my 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, here's a 1/2 teaspoon. But I'm going to see how many 1/4 teaspoons that it takes to do this. So let's see. Remember we said before that it took 2 fourth teaspoons to make a two fourth cups to make a half cup. I wonder if it's the same thing with teaspoons. I wonder if it's going to take 2/4 teaspoons to make a half teaspoon. I don't know. Oh, look at that. I did 2/4 teaspoons, and it makes exactly a half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add that to my flour mixture. All right. It says I need a teaspoon of baking powder. All right. Now I could fit my teaspoon in here, but I'm going to see how many half teaspoons does it take to make a whole teaspoon. I'm guessing it's going to be 2 because I've learned before that 2 halves make a whole everywhere else. I wonder if it's true about teaspoons too. So I just put 2 half teaspoons into my teaspoon, and look, it made a whole teaspoon. So I'm going to add that to this. And now I need 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay? So I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to do my half teaspoon just with my half teaspoon. And I'm going to try my 4th teaspoon to get my whole teaspoon. Okay, so how many 4th teaspoons do you think it's going to be? Okay, I think it's going to be 4, but let's find out. Okay, let's find out. There's 1. Hold on a second. I need to be very careful because I don't want to get, you don't want to get too much. 2. 3. And 4. And look at that. It took 4 4th teaspoons to make a whole teaspoon. That's pretty cool. All right. So I'm going to go finish mixing up my cookies. And hopefully you guys have got a good snack after you've been watching me bake, because I'd be hungry if I was watching somebody make food. And I will see you all next time. All right, bye.